Welcome to short video on Excel tips and tricks. In this video, I will be showing you how to unstack your data in an Excel using Excel formulas. So let us get started. So this is our dummy data set for addresses which has been stacked one above another. So here you can see like this first 6 rows are relating to one person. Then the next set starts on the row number 8 and it goes on till row number 13. So wherever the name is coming up, a new person's details are being starting up. So now this has been stacked one above another. Instead of that, I would like to format this into this columnar format where a single row will contain only a single person's data in multiple columns. So we have seen this how to do it using Power Query, but let's see how we can use Excel formulas to do that. So let me just first quickly copy this column headers, Control C, Alt ES, transpose, values, OK. Now next is like let us quickly count how many rows of data we have. So now here you can see this is 2400 record rows are there and each record is of 6 lines. So totally there will be 400 records. So let us quickly type a formula sequence 400 rows 6 columns should be starting up with 2 incrementing by 1. So this is under the second row, that's why I'm starting with 2 increment by 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5 it will be like that and it will go until 400 rows and across this 6 columns. So let us press enter and here you can see that we have got like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and same way it is going down till the 400 rows and lastly here you can see this is 2401 which will be reflecting this particular last row. So now the current cell reference is B2. So let us quickly add B before this in double inverted commas. Let us do that and here you can see that we have received the cell references over here. So let us quickly select them and convert this into values. Control C, Control Shift V. So this will convert the data into values. Now press Control H and now here in find just type B and in replace with equal to B and let us quickly do replace all and that's it. Here you can see that we have our data set very quickly unstacked. You can convert this into a table format as you require it by pressing Ctrl T. So that's it like guys. So here you can see that we were able to convert this data into a columnar format which using the simple sequence formula and find and replace commands. That's it guys. Thank you.